Polygon is not playing any games. Matic Polygon has been scorching, absolutely on fire as of late. And of course, the market pullback here, we're down about 5%, finds Polygon dialing back a little bit, but it doesn't erase the month that Polygon has had. And really, it doesn't erase the 2022 that Polygon has had, because when you look at some of the top assets, Matic Polygon has held up much, much better than many of the other altcoins out there, not to mention the strategic partnerships that have been inked throughout 2022 as well for Polygon have just been nothing short of impressive. So we're going to dive into a particular number, and you might have saw it in the title of this video, 43 million. What does this mean? What do you think this means? We're going to jump into it. Drop in the comment section down below. What do you think this is before we dive into what that number is? 43 million. 43 million. I'll give you a minute to drop your ideas down there. Also, I'll give you a minute to hit the like button and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys coming back. Polygon is quickly becoming one of my favorite assets. We talked about it a little bit last year, but my, oh my, as it burst on the scene this year. And want to dive into this and get your thoughts. And stick around to the end of the video, because I'm going to tell you where Matic is in terms of the overall ranking of my portfolio. I own 30 of the top 100 cryptos. Matic is slowly but surely building itself up the ladder. I'll tell you that at the end of the video. So let's dive in here and talk a little bit about that number. So, okay, if you guess this, you're right. And Polygon adds 43 million unique addresses in 5 months, but there's more. We're going to get into it here, the specifics, just how big of a deal this is, as Matic has soared 25% in the past week. Yes, we're dialing back a little bit now. If we go over to Polygon Matic, we can see that we're trading right now at about $1.14. I think we got up to $1.28. Yeah, $1.28 was our peak yesterday, actually. Go out to the 1 month there, you can see it. There was the peak yesterday, $1.27. I think it actually got to $1.28, depending on which chart you look at. But coming back down a little bit, but still just under a $10 billion market cap, down about 5% with the overall market right now. Who knows? We might even get a dial back below $1 if this trend continues, which I think presents another opportunity. So let's dive into it here. Polygon has added 42,869,034 unique addresses to its chain between June 7th and November 7th, according to data from Finbold. That is insane. Now, so put another way, Polygon is adding over 280,000 unique addresses per day on average, growing by around 30% during the period of the last 5 months. Think about that for a minute. There's another big number for you. 280,000 unique addresses per day in the last 5 months. You want to talk about growth. You want to talk about adoption. You want to talk about people seeing the future here with Matic, given that it, in my opinion, is becoming the Web3 king, helping so many big, big brands get into Web3. People see it. People see the writing on the wall here. We're going to get to a little bit more of that here later on in the video. So the price and network size increases can be attributed to a couple different things, right? One, including Meta. Meta, of course, formerly Facebook, introducing a Polygon-powered tool minting and selling NFTs for Instagram users. That alone has produced a lot of people who are looking at Matic closer, who are eventually investing into Matic. Of course, it's always right that you do your own research, but take a look at some of these Web2 companies integrating into the Polygon blockchain, whether it's Coca-Cola, Starbucks, DraftKings, or Reddit, or how about the finance powerhouse JP Morgan, who successfully completed its first ever cross-border transaction using DeFi on the Polygon blockchain. These companies are utilizing Polygon's technology. The L2 is just beginning, in my opinion. It's ranked number 11 right now, but the sky is the limit here for Polygon. I think it's a future top 5. I really do. And, I'm putting my name on that, and it's in my portfolio, and it's coming up the ladder, right? So I mentioned at the end of the video, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Polygon and where it sits currently for me. And I'll do that for you. So I'll give you my top 5 because Polygon has entered my top 5. My top 5 is as followed: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, BNB, and Polygon. Those are my top 5 cryptocurrencies. Drop your top 5 list down in the comments section. Appreciate you guys stopping by. 43 million unique addresses, 280,000 per day since June. Insane growth here for Polygon in the middle of a bear market. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that button down there. Really helps us out. If you want news like this every single day, I'm here for you. You can rely on me. I show up every single day, bringing you up to speed. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.